Hey everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 12th, 2025, we're breaking down the S&P 500, SPY, looking at both the latest news and the charts. Recent headlines point to a mixed bag: cool inflation data boosting hopes for Fed rate cuts, tension in the Middle East, and concerns about trade deals with Beijing. Let's see how this is reflected in the SPY chart. First, let's take a look at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a recent period of volatility, with the market reacting to news regarding inflation and trade talks. We see the price ranging, with some potential support around the 580 to 590 level and resistance around 608. The recent high of 611.49 could act as strong resistance. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to analyze more recent price action, since there's a lot of price action near the end that we should review. Notice how the price struggled to break above 604. Now it's at 601.36. The cool inflation data could support a bullish outlook, potentially pushing SPY towards retesting the 608 level. However, Trump's threat of unilateral tariffs introduces uncertainty and could reverse this trend. If tariffs become a reality, we could see SPY testing support levels in the 590 range in the short term. Let's narrow down to a 15-minute chart and examine the last few days more closely. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that SPY is currently trading sideways, showing indecision in the market. The immediate support appears to be around the 600 level and immediate resistance around 604. If it breaks above 604, bullish momentum could increase, but a break below 600 could signal further downside. There are plenty of candles in the 600 to 604 range. For the short term, I'd be neutral to slightly bullish if the price can remain above 600, targeting 604. A break below 600 could lead to a quick test of 590. Long term, I'd remain cautiously optimistic, but keep an eye on those trade negotiations and any further inflation data. The most important levels to watch are 590, 600, and 608. A clear break of 608 would reinforce a bullish continuation. However, market sentiment can shift quickly, so stay nimble and adjust your strategy accordingly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Make sure to leave a comment below.